Please like and subscribe to our channel to keep in touch with our constant updates. Hello and welcome to our video on pregnancy and travel. For many expecting mothers, traveling during pregnancy can be a challenge, but with a little bit of planning and preparation, you can still have a comfortable and enjoyable trip. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and advice on how to travel safely and comfortably during pregnancy. 1. Consult with your doctor. Before planning any trip during pregnancy, it is important to consult with your doctor to ensure that it is safe for you and your baby. Your doctor can give you specific advice based on your pregnancy status and any health concerns you may have. 2. Choose the right time to travel. The ideal time to travel during pregnancy is usually during the second trimester, between weeks 14 and 28. This is the time when you are most likely to feel your best and have the least risk of complications. Avoid traveling during the first trimester, as this is the time when most miscarriages occur. Also, avoid traveling in the third trimester as the risk of preterm labor increases. 3. Pack smart. When packing for your trip, make sure to bring comfortable and loose-fitting clothing that will accommodate your growing belly. Don't forget to pack your prenatal vitamins, any necessary medications, and your doctor's contact information. It is also a good idea to pack a copy of your medical records, just in case. 4. Stay hydrated and eat well. Staying hydrated and eating well during your trip is essential. Make sure to drink plenty of water and other fluids, and eat healthy snacks throughout the day to keep your energy levels up. It is also important to avoid foods that can cause digestive issues, such as spicy or greasy foods. 5. Take frequent breaks. When traveling, it is important to take frequent breaks to stretch your legs and get some fresh air. This is especially important on long flights or car rides. Try to get up and move around every hour or so to prevent blood clots. 6. Consider travel insurance. Finally, it is a good idea to consider purchasing travel insurance, especially if you are traveling to a foreign country. This can provide additional coverage for unexpected medical expenses or emergencies during your trip. In conclusion, traveling during pregnancy can be safe and enjoyable with proper planning and preparation. By following these tips and advice, you can ensure a comfortable and healthy trip for you and your baby. Remember to always consult with your doctor before traveling and to take care of yourself throughout your trip. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice for new moms. Thank you for watching.